Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Lakshmipriya Khuntia, lecturer Electronics, Bose Cuttack. My subject is Advanced Communication Engineering and my topic is Digital EPBX. This is the block diagram of EPBX. EPBX, the abbreviated term of EPBX is the Electronic Private Automatic Branch Exchange, which you connect some landlines and mobile connected to the PSTN to EPBX. PSTN, that is Public Switch Telephone Network. Then intercom extension, that is users can communicate 3-digit or 4 digits to the EPBX, that is intercom extensions. And EPBX port can connected to the LAN switch and connected to the some computers. Then internal lines and external lines, a connection line, that is ISP. ISP, that is Internet Service Provider through modem. The abbreviated form of EPBX is the Electronic Private Automatic Branch Exchange, through which we can multiple the PNT lines on which any intercoming telephone call can be transferred to any intercom extension, and the intercom extension can make direct outside PNT calls through EPBX. Equipments in EPBX operation are not required for receiving trunk calls and transferring them onto requested extensions. As soon as the figure, the EPBX by PBX facility use of one external telephone line by many internal users in the office premises. All employees within the office premises can communicate using 3 or 4 digits number as programmed in EPBX without any charge. EPBX by connected PSTN by trunk lines. Hence, all can use one external voice line in time shared basis. PSTN is, that is public switch telephone network, is connected with landlines and mobiles such as GSM, CDMA, UMTS, by which mobile users can connect to any telephone set in the office premises using extension number. Similar to voice lines, EPBX by PBX by Electronic Private Automatic Branch Exchange can be used for data application. As soon as figure, data port of PBX is connected to LAN, where many computers can be connected using same external internal connection of any ISA by modem by router. Then what are the features of EPBX? That is call transfer, power down operation, day and night operating mode, fax homing, 3-party conference, external call forwarding, last number redial, auto callback on busy extension and busy line, barge in on busy extension and busy line, auto redial in extension. Then discuss one by one. First, call transfer. Call transfer. Current call can be transferred on any other extension by first putting the other end and hold and then dialing desired extension. The hail of person is given music. Once the extension answer your call, talk to the extension. Now just disconnect and the hail of person is connected to the extension. You are now free to make fresh calls or receiving incoming calls. First, call transfer means call is coming to the operator, then operator can transfer the call in desired person. Then power down operation or power down operation by power failure operation. In the event of a power down, the incoming line is transferred automatically to the extension. If power is failure, then power down is direct incoming the call जो extension टा काम करथुवा सेटिकी डायरेक्ट जीवो. Then day and night operating mode. Daytime during the office hours there will be ring in the office. In night mode after office hours, it includes holiday, there will be ring in the security guard. in daytime in EPBX electronic private automatic exchange in EPBX in daytime रे ring टा हमर office रे haba, kintu after night time there will be ring in the security guard. Then fax homing, when a single PNT line is used for fax and phone, the system automatically recognize fax calls and diverts them to the fax machine. Then three-party conference, a three-party conference that can be set up in to include two external and one internal party or one external and two internal party. Three-party conference means that is one internal, two external and two internal, one external. That is three-party conference. Then external call forwarding, ECF. During night hours or holidays, you can divert your call to your residence or your mobile phone. This facility of diverting your incoming trunk calls is known as external call forwarding. Supposing gote call ta amara aschi, ami tau koche call ta ku agu ku nei jiba. That is a call forwarding. Then last number redial. Then many a time we get busy tone after dialing a number up on the trunk. Instead of dialing the same up number again manually, you can ask the system to redial the number for your last number deal. Redial माने आमे गोटे कॉल टाकू मीन्स पुश करी आमे डायल करूचे मीन्स अगेन से नंबर टा मानकर का कोटे फोन करूचे सी जति न धरची आमे ताकू री मीन्स रिडायल करिकी आमे डायल करि परिबा थ्रू EPBX. Then next, that's auto callback on busy extension and busy line. You need not keep dialing busy extension repeatedly. You can request auto callback by dialing from busy tone. Now when the requested extension becomes free, you get ring. Simultaneously, the destination also starts ringing. Whoever answer first by lifting handset gets ring back tone. The other end keeps ringing. Once the ring is answered, ring back tone stops. Speech is established. माने फॉर एग्जांपल आमे गोटे का को कॉल करूचे मीन्स से ता माने बिजी आमे टोन टा सुनुचे अगेन ताकू आमे डायलिंग करी किरी जस्ट 3 और 4 डिजिट नंबर टाकू आमे पुश कर दबा ऑटोमेटिक से जतले फ्री हे जिवो हमको कॉल बैक आसीबो. दैट इज ऑल ऑटो कॉल बैक बिजी एक्सटेंशन एंड बिजी लाइन. देन नेक्स्ट इज बाच इन ऑन बिजी एक्सटेंशन एंड बिजी लाइन. व्हेन योर मैसेज इज अर्जेंट एंड यू कैन not wait for the call person to become free, you can land in his conversation. While landing, you get music and the call person keeps up internal call waiting tone, instruction tone. Speech is automatically established after some times. The third party is put on hold and hence cannot listen to your conversation. During the beeps instruction tone, the destination can dial flash 1 to answering call. In this case, also the third party is put on hold and get music replace your handset. Once you are talk about this, you will automatically restore his original speech with the holder party. That means supposing amara EPBX electronic private automatic branch exchange which you connect some PNT lines and which you connect some intercom extension, incoming calls can transfer with full privacy. Supposing amara gote PNT lines 4 extension, minimum 104, maximum 20,000 lines are used in EPBX. For example, amara 2 PNT lines and two extensions. 2 PNT lines and 3 extension. One PNT lines through landlines either BSNL, Reliance or Airtel can take EPBX through EPBX. आम EPBX रे कॉल टा को कले माने एटा होची हमर एक्सटर्नल एटा होची इंटरनल. आम जो फोन टा को करूचे गोटे फोन रे आम फोन टा जो आम माने कले सी तार माने कॉल टा आसिला ऑपरेटर से ट्रांसफर कला माने कंसर्न पर्सन को से तार सहित कथा होचंदी. सपोजिंग वन फोन इज बिजी दैट इज 300 means 3 digit. Then second lines is the same माने सेम पर्सन को से चाहूची माने कथा हबाकू से जस्ट म्यूजिक ऑन होल्ड बा वन रे ताकू होल्ड करी करी सेकंड फोन रे से कथा बार्ता हेई परिबो तापर जेतेबेले आमे सेकंड फोन टाकू कीप कर दे माने की रखी सारिबो देन फर्स्ट फोन सहित से कथा हेई परिबो दैट इज बार्ज इन बिजी एक्सटेंशन एंड बिजी लाइन. Then last is auto reader in extension. You need not keep trying busy number repeatedly. You can ask the system to keep tuning the number. The system will give you ring when the call goes through. Means supposing आमे गोटे फोन रे फोन करूचे supposing से बिजी अच्छी किंतु आमे जस्ट 3 डिजिट बा 4 डिजिट 3 डिजिट और 4 डिजिट नंबर कैन प्रोग्राम द EPBX एक्सचेंज कैन स्टोर देन 3 डिजिट नंबर जते आमे ताकू स्टोर करी देबा से ऑटोमेटिकली जते फ्री हबो दैट इज रिमाइंडर मींस ऑटो रीडर इन एक्सटेंशन. देन another so many facilities are there in EPBX that is SMDR, that is session message detail recording. मी सपोजिंग आमर बिल आसूची आमे जानी पारुने दैट इज SMDR दैट इज स्टेशन मैसेज डिटेल रेकॉर्डिंग. सपोजिंग आमे चाहूचे जे आमर माने बिलटा आमे पाइबा केमती पाइबा सपोजिंग होची इन फर्स्ट होची सीरियल नंबर देन टेलीफोन नंबर देन एक्सटेंशन नंबर देन टाइम थर्ड इज दैट इज ड्यूरेशन सीरियल नंबर दैट इज 1 दैट इज स्टेशन मैसेज डिटेल रिकॉर्डिंग मी टेलीफोन नंबर दैट इज 0671231303 एक्सटेंशन नंबर that is 300 then time that is 3टा then duration mean गोटे मिनट बा 2 मिनट जदि से फोन कले हमर रिकॉर्डिंग रही पड़ला that is duration is 2 minutes. Then amount that is another is ASMDR that is amount station message detail recording means other about that is serial number telephone number extension time and duration means kete samay that is then another is that is amount means serial number amar rahila telephone number rahila 0671241440 then that is 02 means telephone number is 067124144092 then extension number is 301 then time is 3टा 2 duration means 2 minutes by 3 minutes by 4 minutes कथा ले then that is 4 then amount is 5 टंका then that is ASMDR that is amount station message detail recording that is SMDR another is amount station message detail recording. Then so many facility are in EPBX. Then assignment questions that is explain the detail EPBX operation with diagram. Then EPBX is then the call transfer power down operation. Then second is day and night operating mode, fax roaming, 3-party conference, external call forwarding, then barge in on busy extension and busy line, auto redial in extension. Then PBX. The abbreviated form of PBX is the private branch exchange. PBX is the automatic exchange which you connect some intercom extension. Then features of PBX: call transfer, call pickup, auto callback in busy extension and busy line, music on hold, call parking, 3-party conference, and executive secretary do not disturb, barge in with intimation tone. Then call transfer. Transfer a call to another station. Then another call pickup. Answer any call ringing at other extension. Means supposing call pickup means आमे शुणुचे कॉल टा आमर जस्ट सर्कल टाइप रो आमर रिंगिंग हेकी जीवो. मीन्स आमे जानुचे से कॉल टा को फर्स्ट मीन्स एक्सटेंशन 1 रे बाजिला 300. देन एक्सटेंशन 2 रे डायल हबो. देन एक्सटेंशन 3 रे जे 1 रे थिबो सेटा को पिकअप करिवो. दैट इज कॉल पिकअप. देन ऑटो कॉल बैक, that is intercom informs you as soon as the busy extension becomes free. Then music on hold. Any call can be put on hold to maintain security when discussing the with third person. Supposing आमे गोटे का को फोन करूचे जी आउ गोटे सेकेंड फोन सहित कथा हवा पे आमे चाहूचे, that is one बा आमे टोन रे बा वॉइस रे कहबा म्यूजिक ऑन होल्ड. Then another is call parking. Transfer a call to another station without waiting for ring binging answering. Call parking means just circle type ro call है कि first means 3 digit बा 4 digit number program with EPBX. Then 3-party conference. A 3-party conference that can be set up to include 3 internal parties can talk simultaneously. That is intercom, that is PBX private branch exchange. Intercom by 3-party extension can talk simultaneously. Suppose for example that is our 301 and 302. That is 3 extension. That is 300, 301 and 302 extension can talk simultaneously. Then another executive secretary. Do not disturb. Transfer your calls to your secretary. Means executive secretary means operator and secretary can talk. Then another is barge in with intimation tone. Communicate with any busy station without disconnecting its exciting line of communication. This intervention is preceded by working tone. For example, barge in busy station or busy line means आमे गोटे फोन रे फोन करूचे से तार गोटे लाइन रे बिजी अच्छी, तेणु पीबीएक्स होची खाली इंटरकम आमे कथबार्ता करि परिबा. सी आमे से टोन रे जेतबेले कथबार्ता करूचे से तार फोन रे गोटे टोन रे बिजी अच्छी, से ताकू से फोन टाकू माने कॉल ले बा म्यूजिक ऑन होल्ड रखिकी अनदर स्टेशन सहित कोई कथबार्ता करि परिबो. अनदर इज ऑटोमेटिक रिमाइंडर रिंग. Automatic, the another facility is EPBX, that is automatic reminder ring. Means आमे गोटे का फोन करूचे मीन्स से तार फोन रे बिजी अच्छी, किंतु जेतबेले आमे से डिजिट बा 3 डिजिट्स बा 4 डिजिट्स नंबर टाको आमे प्रोग्राम करवा EPBX रे, जेतबेले से फ्री अब से ऑटोमेटिक रिमाइंडर रिंग करि परिबो. Then lastly EPBX, why EPBX is used जेतबेले आमर इनकमिंग कॉल्स टा आसुची आसुची विथ फुल प्राइवेसी. मु जा कथबार्ता करी से सुनी पारिबन, से जा कथबार्ता करिवो मु सुनी पारिबन. EPBX is the electronic private automatic branch exchange which you connect some PNT lines by landlines or mobiles can connected to the PSTN to EPBX. Then to another call is transfer the intercom extension. Intercom extension means users can talk simultaneously, that is the 3 digits or 4 digit number can program the EPBX. Then another number is that is means EPBX by PBX port is connected to the LAN switch. Then LAN switch is connected to the some PC or computers. Then external or internal lines are connection with ISP, that is Internet Service Provider, through modem or router. Modem, that is modulation and demodulations. Then another is automatic reminder ring. Automatic reminder ring. Then another is last call divert. Is another is three-party conference. Three-party conference in EPBX, that is one internal and two externals, and two internals and one externals can talk simultaneously. Then any assignment questions, explain in detail EPBX operation with diagram, call transfer, power down operation, day and night operating mode, fax homing, three-party conference, then external call forwarding, barge in on BG extension and BG line, auto redial in extension. Then another is, that is power down operation. Power down operation, if power is failure, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ପାୱାରଟା ଫେଲିୟର ହେଇଯିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ଲାଇନଟା ଆସିଯିବ ଯେଉଁ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ୍ ଆମର କାମ କରୁଥିବ ସେଇ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ୍ ଜାଗାରେ କନେକ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରିବ. Then another is fax homing. Fax homing means faxଟା ଆମର ଘରକୁ ଆସିବ. ମାନେ ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଆସିବ ଅପରେଟର ପାଖକୁ ଟୁ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଯେଉଁଠି ଆମର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଥିବ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ୍ରେ, ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ସେ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ୍ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଜାଣିଥିବ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଟେଲିଫୋନ୍ ଲାଇନ୍ସରେ ଆସିକି ଥ୍ରୁ ମାନେ ଅପରେଟର ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ହୋମିଂ, ମାନେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ସଟା ଆମର ଘରକୁ ଆସୁଛି. Then barge in on BG extension and BG line, that is in two lines are used. Then auto redial in extension, automatic reminder ring. एनी किसी डाउट अच्छी मो मोबाइल नंबर बा व्हाट्सएप नंबर मते पचारि पारिबे. थैंक यू ऑल.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी. से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार. आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती. एबे तो बदली गलानी समय, बदली गलानी जुग. से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम. एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे.
मु सफल, मु कुशली, मु सुदक्षा.